Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. And if you're new, please click the notification and click the bell to get my frequent updates and notifications. Today we'll talk about, since it is the new year, we'll talk about some hot stocks of 2023 and going into 2024. Last year you had NVIDIA, you had AMD, Microsoft, and X. X is United States Steel, which was acquired late last year, and it performed well over 77% for the year. Okay, so that's the oddball. The rest, Microsoft, AMD, are all artificial intelligence companies, hot stocks of 2023. And so today I want to talk about some hot stocks going into 2024. Okay, number one stock I want to talk about is SoFi Technologies Incorporated. Last 6 months, they've been up over 16%. And again, SoFi has yet to turn a profit, but it does seem like most key parts of the business are in place. Also, the CEO has bought millions of shares over the last couple of weeks. So Anthony Noto is very confident in the company, and it looks like the stock has been up quite a bit over last month. If we just look at the last month, the stock was up over 25% in the month of December to close out 2023. So I look to see good things from SoFi Technologies going into 2024. Again, stock market will start trading tomorrow morning. Okay. The next stock I'd like to talk about is AMD. AMD is in advanced micro devices, and they are a chip company, semiconductor chip company. Again, they are building an ecosystem to work with artificial intelligence and AI generating applications. Okay. So as you can see, over the last 6 months, up over 27%. If we look at the year, the stock was up over 130%. Okay, so quite a bit, from $80 per share up to $147 per share. So if you just stayed long and doubled down in 2023 in some of these artificial intelligence stocks, you'd have doubled your money, as you can see here with advanced micro devices. And last month by itself, it was up 24%. So a strong month of December. Advanced micro devices and SoFi completed this year. And the last stock I wanted to talk about is a ETF. And the ETF is called VOO, or Vanguard 500 Index. Okay, so the Vanguard 500 Index Fund was up over 24%. And again, this is a combination of stocks. So it's the top S&P 500 stocks, and it was up over 24% on the year. If we look at the last month, it was up 4%, a good strong number to finish out the month of December. Okay, so I'm looking forward to a very positive 2024. I'm glad everybody's here. And finally, we will take a look at the general news. Here we are on CNBC. It shows here Dow futures is in a positive, S&P futures in a positive, NASDAQ futures in a negative, and oil is up, and the 10-year treasury note is up. Okay, so now it's early Tuesday morning. I'm doing this video, but I like everyone to keep their eye on the market. Again, there's battles going on in the EV market. We have BYD set to beat Tesla for a second straight year as far as producing more than 3 million cars in 2023. BYD is more of a Chinese company, and again, by obvious population size, they would obviously sell more cars. Not to say Tesla couldn't keep up, because they have a worldwide distribution as well. But if you're talking about population, I believe China is 3 times the population of America. So they have like 1 billion people and we have 330 million. So again, there's obviously reasons why they would just off the rip sell more vehicles than the Tesla, even though Elon Musk probably could keep up with production. So again, BYD set to beat Tesla for a second straight year. And again, 2024 can be very profitable for many of the EV companies such as Ford, Tesla, and the other competitors such as Volkswagen and others. Okay. Also, I think Porsche has an EV as well. Uh, Goldman Sachs says European big oil is at a turning point, and here are 3 top picks. How to open and Accenture are partnering to build resilient pipeline supply chains. And Japan quake tolls of hits 30 as rescuers race to find survivors. And Singapore wraps up 2023 with highest quarterly growth for the year. Okay, so that is the basically hot news here on CNBC. Again, I'm looking for a very prosperous 2024. And again, it is Tuesday morning. It's going to be the first day of trading of 2024 in the U.S. market. And again, it's chilly days with top stocks just previewing. VOO, I think it's going to be a good stock this year. Another stock, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Again, dealing with artificial intelligence. SoFi, dealing with the fintech bank. Again, Anthony Noto, the CEO, has bought millions of shares, and he has doubled down while the shares have slouched this year. If we look over the year, there has been many drops, dips and valley. So again, SoFi may gain momentum and win profitability in this next quarterly report. Okay, so those are my 3 hot stocks for 2024. And again, just looking back. Okay. Okay, looking back, as I stated, last year's artificial intelligence ran 2023, NVIDIA, AMD, and Microsoft. But this year, I think AMD will get the advantage. And we have SoFi and VOO that's dealing with the S&P 500. I think will be some hot stocks on the year. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope you have a very prosperous 2024.